So anyways, guys, like I was saying, I had a phone call. I didn't want y'all to hear my conversation. You gonna listen. What's good with the gang? It's your boy Quiet back with another video. Today, guys, we're about to make a jailhouse cake. Yes, I said it right, a jailhouse cake. You're probably wondering why I got 2 bags right here, guys, because you're gonna need those 2 bags. Let's get into it, guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down below what's your favorite cereal. Reese's versus Fruity Pebbles. Let's go. Today I got a Bear Claw Danish strawberry cheesecake. Got the honey bun. I got another honey bun. I got another strawberry cheesecake. Hey, let's go. Garbage over there. Let's go. So I got some Oreos right here too, guys. I'll show y'all how we get it to it. Sammy been eating my Oreos. So I'm gonna take 4, 5, 6, 7 cookies. Take 7 cookies, guys. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. And listen, first I'm gonna mess with the cereal. Pour a half a bowl of cereal. Put this down here.
Grab that spoon, crush these things up into powder form. Grab some. Not use.
Straight powder form. Pour another bowl right here.
It'll be easier like this. That's just how we used to do it in prison. So I'm gonna use this bag instead. Oh, now you wanna come in here. How you doing, Sammy? What's your breaking up? Cereal? Cereal. Go give me the peanut butter. Or not my thing though. Guys, make sure you hit that like button and share this video for me, you guys. At least let me get at least 10 likes. That's all that's for, 10 likes. That's very light too, 10 likes.
10 likes, I'll drop another video, but you gotta comment down below what you guys want to see me make next. So we move that to the side. I'm gonna use this bowl because it's more cleaner. So what I'm doing now, guys, is breaking up the taking off the cream that's inside of the cookies. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use that for. And I'm using the cookies for my crumbs. Crush those up too. I don't want to press the cookies up too crumbly because I do want a little bit of chunks in it. I'm gonna show you guys like it's right about to come out fantastic. Make it like a cookie crumb type of mixture. Pour just a little bit of water up in there. Not a lot, just a little bit. And smooth that all around. You don't hear it. Smooth that all around. Smooth that on out. This is what it looked like after I'm crushed up the cereal, crushed up the cookies, and I put it on the inside of that. Right, guys? I'm gonna open one of the honey buns. First, before you open the honey bun, you want to smash it down just a little bit so it'll be flat. You want to open that bad boy up. Hopefully I can open it with one hand. Alright, so get the... Okay, so I got it. Put that right on top. Right on top. Put that right on top. Got one of your Danishes. Squish that thing down though before you grab it out. Squish it down. Because you want to be able to taste everything and not just all the bread. So then when you squish that down, after you squish it down, you open it up. Get that bad boy out that wrapper. Just like that. Just like this, guys. Gotta come out just like that. Lay that right on top. Bow. Smack that thing right on top. See that? Should have put the garbage next to me. So boom. So you got that right on top. It's bagging away. So much bag to it. But anyways, right? So you smash that on top. Right? You get your spoon. This peanut butter didn't whip to the top, y'all. Smooth that thing out. Get some more of that protein. Smooth that thing out. Smooth that thing out. Alright? Then you get your other Danish. Over here, get your other Danish. Open that up. Matter of fact, you gotta smash that thing down. Yep, smash that thing down. And you lay that right on top. Y'all see that? Y'all can see that? Who is this? So now I'm about to show you what it looked like. After you smash that thing up, you gotta smash it together. Guys, the way it came out, like when you taste it, it's just, you gonna listen, listen. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I got a little bit of cookie. I ain't know it was a little cookie in the corner and shit like that. But guys, oh my god, oh my god, what? Got my table dirty. Oh my god. Oh my god. You ain't never seen nothing like this. Oh my god. Babe, come here. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the fun of ooh wee. Oh my god. Oh my god, you ain't never seen
look
that
nasty.
like that. Ooh, it look nasty. Ooh, she said it looked nasty, guys. Ooh, she ain't never had this before. That's why it looked nasty to her. Ooh, wee. Look at them. Ooh, wee. You can't tell me. This is a lot of protein. It's a lot of protein and stuff. You gotta taste this.
Don't even know big piece.
Huh, you gotta taste it. Hold on. In my camera. Guys, you gotta taste this. Yeah, hammer time. You gotta. Yeah, let me move back. Go ahead, get that little piece right there. Right there. That's a little piece for you. Let me know how that thing tasting.
It's so disgusting.
It look disgusting. Nah, don't smell it. Eat
It's so
it.
good though. It smells strawberry.
I know it smell good. You bite that thing. That peanut butter hit in.
Couldn't even taste the peanut butter. I only taste the strawberry.
Put that peanut butter in the middle. You got the end. Tastes good, don't it?
It's good.
I know
but
it
that
is.
shit look nasty.
It look nasty. Remember what she said? It look nasty, but it's good. I know. I did my thing. I get 10 stamps and 15 soups for stuff like
You
that.
ain't doing anymore.
So what? I'm just, you know what I'm saying? Showing the vlog. Like, you can make anything. You can turn nothing into something. You feel me? You can turn nothing into something, guys. Let me show you the inside. Let me move this over real quick. Let me show you the inside. Ooh. Let me show you the inside. I just made a cake. I just made a jailhouse cake. Hold up. I ain't had one of these in like, I've been home for 6 years. Oh my God. What did you say? You said lock in? Lock in? Alright. Yo. This joint hit. This joint hit. Guys, smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys want to see me make next. Also, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell so you do not miss out on our next bangers, guys. Tomorrow, we're going to make a jailhouse burrito. I'm not going to make a jailhouse episode of everything, but hey, I like cooking with you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Smash that like button, guys, and share this so everyone else can see it. All your friends and family, your neighbor, the man of the street too. What'd you say? Time to lock in? Okay. Yo, this joint is glass. Peace.
Ready?
Look, guys, I do that hair.
Right. What you doing?
Did you wrap that in a circle? It look like spider webs.
No, I ain't wrap it in a circle.